Hey, how we doing? I just want to do a real quick 1, 2, 3 how to get access to the recoil on the Honda 2200. I guess most of them are all the same. The cases are all the same. I'm not going to go through the little steps like everybody on YouTube. I'm making a real quick, extremely simple thing to do. All you do is you take the covers off. Okay, all your covers have screws. Okay, just undo all the screws, pop one cover off at a time, the front, the back, and the bottom. All of them are Phillips heads except the bottom on the right hand side is 10 millimeter. Just loosen them all, pop the covers off. Once you got that, you'll see that this spreads out. That's where the gas tank goes. Very obviously, nice and easy. Then you just move it out of the way and you got access to your bolts, okay, to get out your recoil, and then fix it just like you do any other recoil if you've ever done it before. So this video is strictly just to show you how to get access to the recoil starter. Most of you that are watching this already have the capacity to do other things. Just wanted to show you because I've seen a couple other people do it a lot more difficult. So this is really easy. Just take off the covers and everything comes right off. The gas tank, you just got to take off this guy. So once you split these apart, this will come right off of the top. After you take the fuel cap off, put the fuel cap back on, obviously, if you have fuel in it. Okay? But it just disassemble, remove screws, pull apart the covers, and you'll see easy access to get to your recoil. Hope this was informative for you.